Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Now let's next talk about the pound yen. So the pound yen played out to the downside. I think we're looking at retrace to the bottom of the channel. Let's zoom out. Okay. So we really undecided on this last week. So we drew two possible scenarios. The one to the downside played out. So I think now it's on its way down, further down. I think what we might see here is something like this. And then to the upside. Okay. And will we see a deeper retracement? Well, we could. Right. We could. Okay, so I think I'm still undecided on this. This could be one way things could play out. Right? We may see a deeper retracement to any of these levels. It's totally possible. Yeah, so I'm going to have to put out two different scenarios this week. Yeah. Okay. And this, and this. Okay. So I think so I think if we do not see a strong rebound of this area, right? I think what we are in for is a slow grind to the downside, and this could happen. I think sometimes it happen when we're rather choppy. Yeah, if it does happen, the red lines are your possible areas where it may retrace back to the upside. If it does, then you've got to take the trade.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.